Have you ever looked at a past tax return and suddenly realized you might have missed an important deduction or credit? It is a common concern that can lead to many questions about what your options are. Many people wonder if it is too late to fix things and potentially get some money back. When it comes to amending your federal income tax return, the Internal Revenue Service generally allows you to go back 3 years from the day you filed your original return. Alternatively, you can amend within 2 years from the date you paid the tax, whichever of these two deadlines is later. This 3-year window is the most common timeframe for making corrections and claiming additional refunds. This timeframe exists to provide a balance between giving taxpayers an opportunity to correct errors and ensuring the tax system has a sense of finality. If there were no limits, both taxpayers and the government would face endless administrative burdens. The 3-year period starts counting from the day you actually filed or the due date of the return if you filed early. For example, if you filed your 2020 tax return on April 15, 2021, you would generally have until April 15, 2024 to amend it. To amend your federal tax return, you will use Form 1040X, which is the amended U.S. individual income tax return. You will need to clearly explain the changes you are making and why. It is really important to include copies of any new or changed supporting documents, such as W-2 forms, 1099 forms, or receipts that justify your adjustments. Filing this form will help you correct your income, deductions, credits, or tax payments. It is also good to know there are some special situations that can extend this 3-year limit. For instance, if you are claiming a deduction for a bad debt or for worthless securities, you typically have 7 years from the date your original return was due to file an amended return. Another example is if you have been affected by a federally declared disaster, which can also extend the amendment period for those specific tax years. Always keep detailed records for at least 3 to 7 years, depending on the type of transaction. Understanding these time limits empowers you to review your past tax filings with confidence and take action if you discover a mistake. Correcting an error on a past return can mean receiving a refund you are rightfully owed or avoiding potential issues with the Internal Revenue Service down the road. Taking the time to properly amend your taxes ensures accuracy and can positively impact your financial well-being.